Good morning, students. Today we are starting the new chapter, that is space-time symmetry and conservation of law. Before to study the space-time symmetry and conservation law, we would like to discuss about the some reference points, plane or line. Yeah, in other words, I can say that the symmetry is an ordering principle in nature that represents the center of balance between the two or more opposing sides. If you see the symmetry in nature that exists with precisions and beauty in natures, like in this figure, if you see the feathers of these birds is just a symmetry in natures, have same points of reflections and same points of line and same point of symmetry. In human mimics, this principle in design to create balance and order in what we see in this diagram. In the next we also see the lines of symmetry. Before going to the line of symmetry, I would like to discuss that if we have two cases of the symmetry, then every point on a circle has the same symmetry. If we take the example of a circle, then it is equidistant from the center of the circle. Yeah, we can say that the diameter of the circle is half is above and half is down. It means that the line of symmetry is there. And other is that if you see that there are two type of symmetries are shown in these slides, which is horizontal line of symmetry and other one is a vertical line of symmetry. So that the show that the imaginary line where you could fold the image and have both the halves match exactly like horizontal and vertical diagonals, as we have discussed about the examples of also of is seen in this figure is that have same symmetric has mimics principle in design to create the balance and order in what we see that in these figures. If you see that there is also a line of symmetry in this figure or in this. Okay, next we have three type of symmetry basically. One is translation, other is reflection, and one is rotations. ये तीनों जो हमने एग्जांपल्स दी है या टाइप्स दी है उनकी मैंने तीनों की एग्जांपल जो शो की है, यहाँ ट्रांसलेशन की भी की है, रिफ्लेक्शंस की भी की है. इफ़ यू सी दी वर्ड्स दैट इट इज़ द रिफ्लेक्शन, इफ़ यू सी दैट इन दी सम sharps are there in rotations and translation is there, some musical system is there. Okay, first we will discuss about the translation symmetry. As translation symmetry is nothing but it is sliding a figure in any directions. Okay, yeah, we can say that there is a repetition of the pattern of identical elements that are proportionally spaced out along a lines. That is the action of a sliding of in any directions. You can click it in any directions. It is reflected across a plane to create another instant on itself. Then we can say that these are in the reflection symmetry. If you see the figure of this photograph, show that the two line of symmetry are here. One is vertical and other is the water lines. So most common type we think in horizontal our human body. What we can say that if you see the symmetry of the Taj Mahal is also there in the same. Next one is the rotational symmetry. Rotational means turning a figure around a point or in a vertex. ठीक है, किसी भी रोटेशन को आप वर्टेक्स में करोगे पॉइंट से या उसको राउंड करते हो, जैसे सर्कल की भी बात की थी हमने, तो वो रोटेशन सिमेट्रिक्स में आती है. ऑब्जेक्ट इज रोटेटेड इन सर्टेन डायरेक्शन अराउंड ए पॉइंट्स. या इट कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड इन डिजाइन टू कन्वे मोशंस ऑफ फॉरवर्ड प्रोग्रेस in an otherwise static mediums. Yeah, if we take the examples of image which has a rotational symmetry, there is a point in the image that image can be there. if you see that figure is there, some signs are there, some symbols are shown there, order दिया है यहाँ पे, symmetry दी है आपको, ये सारी चीज़ें हमने यहाँ इस फिगर में शो की है कि the order of rotation symmetry that an object has a number of lines in that has symmetry has gives us yeah, it can also be used as design to tool to create points of interest. Yeah, we can also say that it creates visual hikayat. So the question arises here that asymmetry, the difference between the asymmetry and symmetry. Yeah, what is the difference between symmetry and asymmetry? So asymmetrical जो objects होंगे वो basically visually heavier होंगे than symmetrical objects. एक ये points है. और symmetry जो होती है is good for patterns है, backgrounds है, general layouts है, या is meant to visually passive things है. Asymmetry is effective in breaking and monotony and attracting the attentions of the people. Hope you all enjoy. Thanks.